Your time is limited. Yes, it's true. You don't have that much time as you think. Life is short. How can we have a meaningful life? I don't know, but there are some ways that we can do to manage our time. And in this video, I'm going to tell you some ways that you can use to manage your time effectively. Okay, let's find out. I don't know how much money you have, how many friends, houses, or jobs you have got. But I know for sure how much time you have each day, just like me, 24 hours. Using it is up to individuals. Why time is so important? Because time is the most precious resource. Because you can't get it back. When it's gone, it's gone. Well, it's pretty fair that everyone has the same 24 hours in a day. However, the amount of free time you have varies dramatically. You may work all day long, or you can do whatever you want. Once again, you know exactly how much time you have in a day, but no one knows how much time you really have in your life, right? The way people manage time has huge impact on life. If you have good time management, you will make the most out of every moment in every area in life, whether it's work or at home. So in terms of IELTS tests, if you know how to manage your time effectively, you can avoid the lack of time and maximize your band score. Moreover, you can achieve your target on time. So, we need to set goals. Knowing where you are, where you want to go, and how to go there are extremely important. Setting goals can help you create a plan to guide you. You can think of SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound goals. Okay? To start, you can break down your long-term goals into monthly goals, then break them down even further into weekly or daily goals. Your goals for each day will help you set the target and measure when you've hit it successfully. Well, finally, we need to take action. Planning time for everything you need to do. Set how much time to complete each task and note down. Checking your performance based on the plan. Okay? And know your priorities. Those are some tips that you can use to manage your time. Alright? So in the next video, I'm gonna tell you how to manage your time in the IELTS test. IELTS listening test, IELTS reading test, and even IELTS writing test. Okay, and I hope you love this video and see you. Bye.